we are about to go test out the Calypso. We made a few changes with the suspension. We moved the shock up a little bit higher to give us a little more extension in the shock and not run out. And we also tightened the shocks up. For some reason, the shocks were full loose. Guys, we got a full kit coming from Team Z. Also, got a brand new set of subframe connectors from Stifler's that we're gonna put on this car, and this should make it work. But we got some double adjustable strain shocks coming for the car, and we've also got the Team Z springs. We got an anti-roll bar, so this thing should work. If it doesn't work on the drag radials, then we're gonna put 28-inch slicks on it. So Berger's pulling his off. He's going to a different tire, so we're gonna test his 28-inch slicks on the car. So this thing should work next time we go to the track. But what we're gonna do today is take this car out on the road, pour a puddle, see if we can get it to hook. Probably gonna try to make 2 passes and then bounce, get out of there. Then what we're gonna do is come back after we do the Team Z and possibly, if we get time, go to the same spot and try to make some passes. We're gonna take the draggy with us. We're gonna have some cameras set up. Not gonna do anything crazy, but we're just trying to see if we made any improvements or not. So we'll see you guys out on the road. I don't know if that's better or worse. Yeah, we buying them cows.
I don't like the sprayer.
Yeah, he wanted to conserve on it. But it's still good.
The road's sticky though.
Pretty good.
Road's sticky right there.
It is. We could. It needs some suspension. Hey, it is what it is.
Yeah, we tried. We have tried everything.
That's right. All right, meet you back at the house. I'm not gonna use a microphone though. So guys, we don't have a microphone today, but we got all the guys here. So we're back from our little test hit. And yes, I wear glasses now. I'm old, so. But we got back from testing the car, and it went about as expected. Y'all, maybe you see something I'm doing wrong, but I have tried everything. We tried to lower the RPM, slip the clutch a little more. It doesn't matter as soon as the car leaves. And I understand people fuss about it being fresh black top, and we didn't pour enough, and we didn't do enough burnout. Guys, it's the exact same way at the track. This car reacts the same way. Every time we've ever run it, it does the same thing. So with that being said, we kind of figured that. So we have a fix for it. So we have anti-roll bar coming for it. We've got the springs, and we've got the strange double adjustable valved shocks for Team Z for small tire. In theory, that should hook the car.
We should be able to pull a tire in the street after this.
Maybe. With that being said, Berger gave us his slicks off his car because you're going to a different tire. So we really need a slick on this car, to be honest with you. We really do. The way I like to drive, and you know, that's something that I think a lot of people don't consider enough. Like, how do you want to drive the car? I want to drive the shit out of it. I want to be able to kind of not dunk the clutch, but kind of one of those like that. And if I can't do that, then the car's not going to work for me. So we need this car to work a little more the way I need it to work. Typically, I say learn your car, right? Learn your car and go out and do what it needs you to do.
And we have learned that it does not hook.
Yes. So at this point, we have no choice but to get a tire on the car and try to go out and get this damn thing to hook. Speaking of which, here's the guy with the master plan right over here. Where your son at?
He's at the house.
He's at the house?
He's cleaning his boat.
He's here. We're going to go over some rules as well. Come on over here. We're going to be going over the rules tonight for the race that we're going to be putting on. So that's going to happen. Also, maybe Heath can give us some help on this damn thing. But anyway, we're going to talk about the rules of the race and things like that. Make sure that we got all this together. So guys, be looking out for that probably within the next 4 or 5 days. And we'll get that out for you guys. So we will be putting on a race, hopefully in December, down here in the dirty. So let us go in here, do what we got to do, and stay tuned for the new suspension setup on this car. It'll be coming soon.
So maybe we do, just for an example, maybe easy stick, like the street class version of it. Maybe we do like $150 buy-in or $100 buy-in for them.
Yeah.
And then, you know, like the more outlaw class, we could do a 200 then.
So 150 and 200 is what we were originally talking about.
Yeah. You think 200 is better than 250? I mean, what do you think? Your class is going to be smaller than the synchronized, I would imagine. So you need the payout for you guys. So what do you think? 200,
yeah, but
250?
that's where sponsors come in play.
Easy stick is going to be synchronized. 10-mile cruise limited stick will be. You don't have to be a street car. All right, I'm good with that. Look, that's why we're making this phone call so that we can sort this out. So I'm good with that. If y'all like that, are there any other rules with the limited that you guys want to address? Think about it now.
I mean, H pattern, you know, no sequential, V-gate if NA only. Do we want to put a tire rule in there?
That's on y'all.
Like,
I'm gonna
I
leave
say
that
no
in
tire
y'all.
rule.
Okay, all right, so any tire.
Yeah, any tire, as long as it's not a hard tire.
Any tire, no hard tire. Got it. Do we want to put anything in there like chassis, like no pro mods, basically?
No rail
You know,
cars.
door cars.
No door car only.
Yeah.
All right,
All
door.
glass.
All right, so any tire, no hard tire. Door car only, no rail car. H pattern, no sequential, V gate if only, NA. Here's a good question for you.
All right.
All 4 classes, are we doing a flashlight start? Are we doing heads up pro tree, 400 pro tree from the tree?
Instant green.
Instant green.
Instant green, all 3, or I'm sorry, all 4 classes?
So
Right,
that way
instant
we ain't
green.
gotta argue.
Fucking sitting there
We ain't gotta worry about none of that
Oh,
bullshit.
Go.
Also, something else we talked about was if you double bulb somebody and the other guy is obviously not gonna pull up, we'll get the track officials to back you back out and reset.
My car. So it's got no weight in it, which is nice. I think that's pretty much. Oh, I gotta buy a chute for it. I just need him to make sure the motor's okay. He talked about going up there, dropping the oil pan, making sure the motor's okay. Chris, his buddy, spins it over, you know, every couple weeks.
let's lock this in. So I'm paying for all your fuel, and you're bringing Bangin' Bob Hanlon's Amish buggy, first round Friday night off the trailer. I'm paying for all your fuel for the trip if you beat me, and I'm gonna run you NA.
NA.
Ball out the car. Real Till versus the buggy.
Real Till. Yeah.
Are you filling out a spreadsheet?
Hey, I'm presenting this to Bang and Bob tomorrow.
Oh.